Okay, lesson 2 of cursive writing. Today we're going to be doing all of the taller letters. Okay, so notice that when I was showing you on the first day, we had our E, and that had to take up the space between the bottom line to the middle line. When we did the L, it extended all the way up. Okay, these are actually bigger than you would normally write it. Normally you would just do this E to a half line like this. And the L would be tall like that. But for learning purposes, we'll just treat it as we need 2 lines for each letter. So we're going to show the tall letters today. Okay, so we're going to start with the letter B. Okay, B is kind of like an L, because you go up like a loop, but then you come over here and you make it fancy. Okay. Looks like a B, right? Doesn't it? That's a B. Then D. Looks just like a D, doesn't it? They're very recognizable. H, remember we're starting down here, not at the top. You do our little fancy loop up and then make the bump. Shh, I'm doing a video. That's her letter H. Then we have a letter K, very similar. So instead of doing the little bump, okay, you're gonna make like one of those, right? Kind of looks like an R. That's your K. Then the T is super simple. T is kind of like the I, but you just cross it in the center. Like we could do a series of T's like this. And just cross them all. If you were going to write the word kitten, K-I-T-T-E-N. You cross it like that. Kitten, that's the T. And then the last letter we're going to do is F. F is different than all the rest because it has a bit up top and it has a bit down below. So it's kind of like an L, except for when you get to this part, you keep going down low again. And you flip it out. They're like super fun to draw it right. Loop, ba-doop, ba-doop. Loop, ba-doop, ba-doop. Loop, ba-doop, ba-doop. No. So there you have it. B, D, H, K, T, and F. Happy practicing.